Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about HoneyBook and whether or not they accept Apple Pay. I know that a lot of you are using HoneyBook to run your businesses, and you're probably wondering if you can use Apple Pay to make payments. So, I decided to do some research and find out the answer for you. What is HoneyBook? Before we get into the details of Apple Pay, let's take a quick look at what HoneyBook is. HoneyBook is a software platform that helps you manage your clients and projects. It's a great tool for freelancers, consultants, and other small business owners. With HoneyBook, you can create proposals, send invoices, track your time, and get paid. You can also use HoneyBook to communicate with your clients and keep track of your projects. What is Apple Pay? Apple Pay is a mobile payment service that allows you to make payments using your iPhone or iPad. You can use Apple Pay to pay for things in stores, online, and in apps. Does HoneyBook accept Apple Pay? The answer is yes. HoneyBook does accept Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay to make payments for invoices, proposals, and other fees. How to use Apple Pay with HoneyBook? To use Apple Pay with HoneyBook, you'll need to have an iPhone or iPad with Apple Pay enabled. You'll also need to have a HoneyBook account. Once you have both of those things, you can simply add your Apple Pay card to your HoneyBook account. Then, when you're ready to make a payment, you can just select Apple Pay as your payment method. Benefits of using Apple Pay with HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to using Apple Pay with HoneyBook. First, it's a convenient way to make payments. You don't have to worry about carrying around your credit card or cash. Second, Apple Pay is secure. Your payment information is encrypted and protected by Touch ID. Third, Apple Pay is fast. You can make payments in seconds, which is great if you're in a hurry. If you're a HoneyBook user, I highly recommend using Apple Pay to make payments. It's a convenient, secure, and fast way to get paid. Additional tips. If you're having trouble using Apple Pay with HoneyBook, you can contact HoneyBook support for help. You can also find more information about Apple Pay on Apple's website. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great tool that can help you run your business more efficiently. You can sign up for a free trial of HoneyBook here. I would also love to hear your thoughts on Apple Pay. Have you used it before? So, what do you think of it? Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching.